Hey everyone, in this quick Lightroom Classic tip, let's look at how to straighten a photo. This is perfect for fixing tilted horizons or leaning buildings. In this image, let us see how to fix tilted horizons. To do this, go to the develop module here and click on the crop icon. Now, there are few ways to straighten this image. You can either drag the angle slider left or right, or click on the auto button here where Lightroom automatically detects the tilt and fixes it automatically. Alternatively, you can also use the ruler icon here and draw a straight line along the tilted horizon. So Lightroom will auto rotate this image for you. Let us take this image for example. In this case, there are buildings that are leaning, which seems to distort our visual perspective. To fix this, let us go to the develop module and expand the transform panel. We'll click guided here and then draw rulers where there are slant edges. So in this case, I'll try to correct the perspectives of this building, which will eventually correct the perspective of this building as well. So let me draw a straight line here along this edge and one horizontal line along this edge. The perspective of both the buildings are changed now. So I'll just crop to get rid of these extra edges here. Isn't this amazing? Let us see how it was before and how it is now. If this tip helped you, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.